What are punitive damages? Punitive damages is unfortunately a necessary evil that we have in the law. Punitive damages are made to punish people. In negligence claims, we are looking for just compensation to replace the damages that were done to people and not to punish the wrongdoer. In cases of punitive damages, we're looking to correct behavior and actually punish the defendant for their actions. The most common cases that we have include driving under the influence. Punitive damages are reserved mostly for cases that are intentional acts. The law has described driving under the influence as an intentional act. People make a knowing decision to drink and then to drive and put people in harm's way. Punitive damages are permitted in the law where there's a certainty of causing injury. When you drink and drive, there will be a certainty that injuries will be caused. In these cases, the law allows us to be able to go after the offending driver who has drank alcohol and to get from them punitive damages. Punitive damages are considered a punishment. They're different than compensatory damages, such as past medical bills, future medical bills, lost wages, future loss of earning capacity, suffering and pain, monies. Punitive damages are done strictly to punish, and they're in addition to compensatory damages, and they're done to change the behavior of the offending party. We believe also that punitive damages, for example, are done where people are texting and driving. Texting and driving is a problem throughout the United States. Unfortunately, the laws of Florida have not outlawed texting and driving. In cases where we're able to show that texting and driving is occurring, many of our circuit court judges have allowed us to seek punitive damages against the offending driver. When you text and you drive, you will cause injuries. When you take your eyes off the road, as we all know, when you're driving, you must keep your eyes on the road. If you're going to look down and start playing on your iPhone or your cell phone or your computer, you are going to be traveling at a high rate of speed with a dangerous vehicle of several thousand pounds, and it would just be a certainty that at some point you're going to be involved in a serious wreck. It's very important that people understand now that the tractor-trailer rigs are equipped with many computerized devices. Unfortunately, we see a lot of injuries with the tractor-trailer rigs, and many times the truckers are on their computers. They have personal computers set up next to them where they are corresponding on their computer at any time during their driving. There's many great truckers out there. Most of them, the majority of them, are very safe, and they do not text or play on the computer while they're driving. They comply with the laws. There is very serious problems with the minority of the truckers that are on their computer for hours at a time while they're driving long distances. Anyone, whether they're a trucker or just the average lay person that is taking their eyes off the road, whether it's distracted, looking down for their keys or their coffee or answering a phone, puts the rest of us in harm's way. Always remember to keep a proper lookout and to keep your eyes forward on the road, check your mirrors, and anticipate that the traffic will be stopping in front of you. It's important not to be distracted while you're driving. It's important to remember that there's a lot of people out on the road who might not be as experienced as you are. There's a lot of people on the road who shouldn't be driving. They're under medications that they're taking, that they shouldn't be operating a dangerous vehicle. Car wrecks are happening all the time. We like to think it's not going to happen to us. So we must be vigilant and keep your eyes on the road and be safe at all times. We feel that the work we do here at our law firms do make the roads safer. Just like an emergency room doctor does not wish for anyone to come through that emergency room, I would be very happy to have no injured clients and to have the road safer. That would make me the happiest person around. And we do not wish for there to be any injuries. However, if you are seriously injured in an accident, please call me at the number at this website, and I'll be happy to give you a free consultation and talk about your claim to see what we can do to help.